deadlifts are hurting your back, it's not the deadlifts. It's the way you was taught how to do it. You do not need a perfect powerlifting deadlift to get strong. You need to be doing deadlifts that doesn't cook your back for 3 days and take you out the game. Look, I get it. Most people have about 45 minutes to train. We're all trying to get leaner, more athletic, and more stronger. But social media acts like you need chalk, smelling salt, and a physics degree just to get the bar up. Excuse me. That's also why people either A, avoid deadlifts altogether, or B, go too heavy that they mess up their back. Deadlift is a fundamental movement to us humans because it's a real life hinge. Just think about it. I mean, you pick your kids up, you hinge. You get yourself up off the ground, you're hinging. So when you're doing a deadlift, we're not chasing 1 rep maxes no more. We're not 21. So what we are trying to do is strengthen our posterior chain. That's our glutes, our hamstrings, our back, because those are the muscles that are protecting your spine. They help us move like an athlete instead of being stiff all the time like a robot. And honestly, if you're like me, you don't need more exercises. You need better movement patterns. So I'm going to show you the minimum effective setup to do a deadlift. Let's start with the setup. The first mistake people make, they overcomplicate the setup. Just start with your feet hip width. The bar stays close to your body because the further the weight gets away from you, the harder your back has to work. A deadlift is not the same as a squat. You need to push your hips back. Think about closing a car door with your butt. I was a personal trainer. I used to tell all my clients this because it teaches you to think about it naturally. Your hamstrings should feel loaded before the bar even leaves the floor. Now the next part changes everything. Your upper body needs to stay connected. Think about bending the bar around your legs. Not because you're actually bending it, but because it turns your lats on. That creates shoulder stability and protects your spine. Now with the lift, just push the floor away. Notice I said push, not yank. The deadlift should look aggressive but be controlled. Now the last mistake is the lockout. People lean back too far like they're trying to do the Matrix. For the love of God, don't do that. Just stand tall. Ribs stacked, glutes tight, done. Now here's where most fitness programs lose the everyday person like us. They turn deadlifts into an entire personality. You don't need 25 warm-up sets and a 97-page spreadsheet. For most people like us, 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps twice a week, that's enough to get stronger and recover. You should still have energy to do conditioning work, sports, or just regular life. That's the goal, strong and capable. Training should support your life, not become your entire life. Best program is the one you can recover from consistently. And that is also why I program hybrid forward training.